Want to know how to understand or know functions in Java? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to understand functions and methods with just a simple small line code right here. So functions or methods, you need to know that it basically lets you package code into reusable blocks. So in our example right here, we have created a function called add numbers that takes two integers and returns their sum. So in the main function right here, we call add numbers 5, 7. So right here, public static void main, we just simply call it, and then print the result. So functions are great for avoiding repetitive code, keeping your program organized and making debugging easier. You can just simply try creating your own functions to see how powerful they are. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just see our code as well. We have just simply added numbers and we have just returned it to function. And that's it. So I'm just going to run this code to show you how it works. And there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.